All right, gonna try something new here today. The major is maxed out at $1,000. Pretty good grand too. What we're gonna do is bet 11 big bets, about $20 each, and then bet a bunch of smaller max bets to see if that kind of triggers some kind of action on the smaller bet denomination. So we're gonna do lucky 11 $20 bets to start. So 220 in, and then we have $220 if we need for the smaller denominations. I know there's not that much strategy with slots, but this is one that I've been kind of seeing the pattern of, so I'm gonna see if doing some bigger bets on a maxed out major will make things magical for us. Okay, so these are big bets for me, so let's start with 20. Okay, good start. I like that. Okay, the major is smacking. That's good. Let's bring some other ones with it. Okay. Okay, 4 there. That's pretty good, but we need a little bit more, Mr. Buddha. Come on. 2. Okay. 1. Oh. 2. 3. Okay. Ultimate mix and matches everywhere. Some jacks. So obviously we're trying to bet huge and then obviously get something on this denomination. But then if it doesn't work out, then go back to the 1 cent and max bet that, because I've seen stuff like that kind of work. Like it'll give you a lot of action on those smaller denominations. 1. Oh, that would have been so nice just to hit something on this bigger denomination. Obviously that's the first goal. 1, 2, I just said the wrong number, that's why. 1 was coming down, but it was like you didn't say 2, so I'm not gonna come down. 3. Oh my god, what the heck is this? Look at this. Alright. I mean, either don't have those Dragon Balls or have many more Buddhas. Okay, 1 more bet and we have to just do it. Okay. So now, that was interesting. It was half of the experiment. So now, doing $220 again, but on smaller denomination, max betting. I mean, we saw that major ball smack in right away, remember? Like, that was nice. I just want to see how it reacts now on the smaller denominations after we were doing that. Like, what's going to happen now? I know a lot of people have been playing this one, so... Okay, so how do we... that was a tough one. You know, it had so many chances, at least for the line hits too, but let's see what happens now. I think I saw the major flash in there, so that's a good sign, but... Okay, it's reacting. Oh, did nothing line up in the middle? Holy smokes. Those $20 bets will really get you going. I mean, $20 bets, and then when there's actually some action, that's like very nice. Okay, 25 back. No balls in the first reel. We had 2 pots. We had many. Okay, so the 1. Okay. Seeing $20 balls fall, $50 balls fall. 3, 1, 2. Oh my god. Okay, so it is kind of doing what we thought it would do, but that doesn't matter until the last one falls with it. But this is kind of like what I was saying. Like, if there is a slot strategy, it's like max bet on those smaller denominations, and maybe go do a bunch of bigger denomination bets, and then kind of just go in there and max bet otherwise on a smaller one if nothing comes up for you. But that was crazy. Those are huge numbers right there. It's kind of what we thought it was gonna do, but it's just, yeah, that's half of the thing, you know. It's like you have to make them all come in. have a lot of chances, but I am seeing that green ball fly through. Obviously, we'll probably move back up once we get something here, but that was 3, 4. Oh my god. Why? Okay, this is again. So we're seeing what I kind of said was gonna happen, but 3, come on. I just want to get in that bonus round and see what can happen. 1. Okay, it's a good pot. I didn't like you anyway. Coins. Okay. Pot, pot, pot. Pot, pot, pot. Numbers are kind of big still. But I wonder if we should go to 2 cents also. Maybe. Not getting that much going on here. Wait. That grand has to come at some point in our lives. Okay, there's... it's showing up. It showed up in the huge one. It's showing up in the smaller one. Where are your friends, though? Cool. Can you do it? The last 2 reels. I just wanted to surprise like that. Oh, come on, 1. You son of a gun. Like we're getting action over here, but it's just like... Let me do this. So 5 cent now, 3.75. Pot, pot, pot. 4, 2, 1, 0. I'm not even gonna say anything anymore. It's just, this is what, so we are getting reaction from those bigger bets, but we're not looking for a react video here. We're looking for bonuses. Come on, 1. Oh, son of a gun. 4, 2. Okay. I mean, it's working. Like I said, it's working. What I said, you know, kind of might happen beforehand, the reaction to the bigger bets. But it's just like unfortunate. And you got all those big ones earlier. Okay, I'm gonna go back to max bet at this. We have 20 more spins. It's kind of a gross feeling, but anything can happen in 1 spin. Thank you for 45 cents on $5. Thank you for 6 cents. 4, 3. I wonder if we should just go back to that bigger one and do 2. See, now these numbers are kind of tiny. What do we do here? $5 on 10 cents. Pot. No. You dirty dog there. Pot, pot, pot. 3, 2, 1. None. No wonder why this grand is so big and this major is maxed out like that. There's a reason behind it. I don't know. It feels kind of silliness. I'm just gonna go 5 at $1. Oh, so those are some good numbers. Look at that. Oh, whoops. Did not mean to stop it, but it almost worked. Okay, gotta catch our breath. Come on, 1. Oh my God, look at these numbers. What is going on here? Come on. What is happening? So like, we're getting what we thought we would, but like I said, it's only half of the solution there. How many big 5 Dragon Ball combinations did we get? 2. Too many to remember. I mean, this is a fun experiment. Like, I'm gonna keep trying this. I've seen other people do it and be successful. Maybe just a small sample size, you know, $440. 220 on one side, 220 on the other side. It's, you know, I know that there is a possibility that it does do what it's supposed to do. I've seen it. The machine reacts to stuff. We saw that, but we need it to fully react. Okay. Last bet. This is such a gross feeling, the last bet. Hate it. And went. Okay, let's choose the dragon. Okay, well, we absolutely tried. I think that this strategy is one that a lot of people know about. Bet huge or bet bigger on the larger denominations, then go to the smaller ones and bet max on them. We saw a lot of action. We saw a lot of exciting situations, but none of them came through. Not even one bonus round of $440. That's kind of crazy, but you know, there's a reason why this is at 1,000. But you know, we'll continue trying that. Small bets to try to get grand, big bets to try to get a grand. It will happen. Just didn't happen today, but you know, it's a part of the nature of the beast. So we will be back. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Okay, we are back. We're doing a lot of big bets, betting $20 to spin, and then we threw in another 100. Let's see if we can get that green one. It is live. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Come on, throw the green one in there. Let's go. I see the blue one. This grand has to pop at one point of our lives. Okay, come on, just do it right now. Why not? Oh, only one of them is showing. I would love if the green one just showed right now. Come on. It can happen. It can happen. Will it happen though? Let's go. One more. Just to make it keep going. Oh, I saw the major in there. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we tried. Almost got it. But we tried. Won back some of our money. We put in like 500, 600, I don't even know how much it's been, but got back a lot of it. That's good. Pretty good for $5. I won't complain about that, actually. No.